Falconberry. I'm the AP Stats teacher here at Pine Lake Prep. I wanted to give you guys a quick overview of the course and why I think you should take it. So I've been teaching AP Stats for almost 8-9 years now, and it's one of my favorite courses out of all the math courses I teach because it is just super applicable. I see it everywhere. And I want to share that with you guys. I want you to be able, a lot of you say, when am I ever going to use this? Well, stats is one of those that you can see using every single day. And because of that, it is a growing field of study. There's data out there everywhere. There's data on our Apple Watches. There's data on the news. There's data on the internet. There's data everywhere. And they need people out there to know what to do with that data. They need people out there that knows and understands whether that data is biased or not biased, and then what that says about our population, our society as a whole. So it's a growing field of study. It looks great. Even if you minor in statistics, if it's something that you enjoy, it looks great to employers that you have that statistical background. So AP is meant to give you a foundation of statistics. It is usually most of the North Carolina colleges, like the UNC system and colleges around in North Carolina that I've researched, accept a 3 or a 4 on the AP Stats exam in order to get credit for the beginner level AP or statistics course in college. So definitely a reachable goal, and I want you guys to understand that this is a college level class, and they have put every single detail in a college level class into this course. So it's very fast paced. There's a lot to learn, and there's some deep thinking that's involved. But I will say that this class is not heavy math based. There are we support a lot of our claims and arguments with math, but it's not going to be something where you're factoring polynomials or plugging in to difficult formulas. There are some formulas, but anyway, you're not using your pre-calculus necessarily, only kind of the analysis that you've gotten over the years in math. That's what you're going to be using, that deep thinking, that reasoning that you've learned over time. So I wanted to give you guys a couple of perspectives from students. So I asked a couple of students that took this last year just to kind of say something, give you guys some advice if you're considering taking the course. So I'll let you listen to Evan Foley and Kira Dole right quick.
What's up, guys? My name is Evan Foley. I'm a senior this year at Pine Lake, but I actually took AP Stats as a junior last year before we all got sent home. And in person, I thought stats was really good for me because I'm more of a hands-on person when it comes to school, and Ms. Falconberry does a great job of teaching in general and getting the students involved in class, especially in AP Stats, and she really gets the students going, and it's a great class for anybody who doesn't just want to sit there and deal with numbers all day. There's a lot of graphs, there's a lot of creativity in stats, and a lot of following of word problems, and I think it's great for anybody who doesn't want to just have the traditional math class of calculus or pre-calculus and just sit there and solve number problems all day.
Hi, my name is Kira. I took AP Stats last year. Some advice I have for the class is if you're struggling, the site StatsMedic is really helpful. It's got all the units. Or just ask Ms. Falconberry. She's so nice. She'll be very helpful. And then AP Classroom does little videos on all the subtopics, and that's really beneficial to watch those if you're struggling. I hope you guys took the class. It was a lot of fun.
All right, thank you to Kira and Evan for sharing that. I hope you guys will consider reaching out to me if you have questions about the course. I know some of you may be juggling, do I take it instead of AP Calc? Which one? Do I take both? Do I take neither? Do I wait and take this later? Do I take it online with Mitchell or something like that? Please ask my myself or the counselors, if you have any questions about that, I'll be happy to help. And I want to make sure that AP Stats is right for you. And I hope it is, and I hope to see you in the classroom soon.